Good morning, everyone, and
Merry Christmas!
we would like to welcome you all to our Christmas service this morning, and we will be starting off today's worship with a new song. It is not a worship song, but it is a song that stirs a question in your heart about the meaning of Christmas. So join us as we start off with the song, A Joyful Noise. Can we all stand? What does Christmas mean to me? Is it about the presents underneath the tree? Or is it something deeper I ought to know? Is it about a message that was sent long ago? Born a savior for mankind. God sent him down on that Christmas morn. The King of Kings was born. So let's rejoice and celebrate. Come lift your voice, for he forever reigns. Christmas time, so let's make a joyful noise. Peace on earth and goodwill to men. To the shepherds, the host of angels sang. The wise men followed a star and journeyed from afar with gifts for a newborn king. Born that in Bethlehem it was prophesied to be born a savior for mankind. God sent him down on that Christmas morn. The King of Kings was born. Christmas time, so let's make a joyful noise. It's Christmas time, come shine your light. It's Christmas time, so let's make a joyful noise.